Another recent addition is, for the viewers at home, what is Simple View and why do we need it?
There are a lot of fields in TSM. If I show you, for example, the contacts record, you will see that this is chock-a-block, this is chock-a-block, this is chock-a-block, and there are priority metrics and labour rates, and discounts, and all that sort of stuff. Much of that data is set and forget stuff. You know, once I've set the default, the default technician, the default this, and the default that, set these values here, created your priority matrix, set up your labour rates and discounts and so on, you're really not going to touch them. And to be quite honest, it's really only an administrator or a supervisor that really needs to see that stuff, not the regular user. So this view becomes confusing to new users who are untrained. The simple view, which can be turned on for individual users through user options here, simply cuts out all of that other stuff. And if I go back into the contacts module again, and you can see now I have many less tabs, many less fields on the details page. I just really got the name, address, and phone number, a few other things. I've only got the contacts and documents. None of that setup stuff is visible here. Because as a regular user of TSM, I don't need to see it. We have simplified some of the modules of TSM so far. So we've simplified the contacts module. We have simplified the products module. So you can see there that's really just got pricing and history and nothing else. The unsimplified one is much more complex. We have simplified the employees module. You can see it's really only got a few tabs and various informations. And within time, with feedback, we will start simplifying the job cards and simplifying other areas of TSM as well, where it becomes appropriate to do so. So that's what the simple module does. Individual users can have simple view or default not simple view. I think by default on new installations now we've set the simple view as on.
And it can be turned on for very
correct. No, we've defaulted it to on. There's a downside to that, and the downside to that is that if people are evaluating TSM and don't know it, then they may not know about all these other great things that we have in the background because they can't see it.